Hello all and welcome back to my channel J's Lab. In the last class we have seen how to explicitly convert one variable to variables in one class to another class. In this video we will see what are the difference between vectors and list, and how to write vector and how to input values in list in R programming. So the first thing we will see first we will see vectors. Okay, so we have seen vectors. See 1, 2, 3. So this will be. So I have entered three numeric class into 1, 2, 3 into a variable x. The limitation of vector is that you cannot input two different classes in same vector. If you put a string along with this one, yeah, so in this one it is numeric, but you see if you put 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and a character in this one, okay, still it will take the value, but if you check the class of x, okay, it will be character. That means your 1, 2, 3 also will be considered as characters. Okay, that is a limitation with vectors. So in vector you can add only one type of class. If you put two types of class, it will automatically change to one type of class. If you want to put different types of classes in same group, you can go for list. So that I will take list, list. Now you can do anything. You put 1, 2, 3, comma a, comma b, okay, it will take the value as list only. Okay, if you put y, you will get first it will be showing like first one it is 1, second element it is 2, third element it is 3, and fourth element it is character a, fifth element it is b. So you can group together different classes in same place. Okay, now if you want to access that one, what you can do is y. If you put y of 1, okay, y of 1, then it will show the first element, that is 1. Okay, in place of y of 4 it will show a, because that is the fourth element in the variable y. So this is the difference between vector and list. Okay, so in order to put list, you need to put list and enter the values. Okay, so in vector you cannot put different classes in one group, but in list you can put different classes in same group and access it using the position of the element. So more on matrices, arrays, factors and data frames I'll be discussing in the coming videos. So if you have any suggestion or comments, please write in the comment section. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.